Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to PMDC Online Lecture Room. I'm Shah Faisal. Today we will discuss about solvation, definition of solvation, explanation, examples, and water of crystallization and assignment. Solvation is the process by which solvent molecules surrounded and interact with solute ions or molecules. An important specific example of solvation is hydration, where the solvent is water. The dissolution of solute and to solvent begins by the interaction of solute and solvent molecules. If an ionic solute is added in a polar solvent, the positive part of solute molecules attracts the negative ion and the negative poles attracts the positive ion. In this way, the attractive forces between the negative and positive ions of solute diminish and they are far apart from one another. Both positive and negative ions are surrounded by solvent molecules and remain in dissolved form. This whole process is referred as solvation. If water is used as a solvent, then this process is known as hydration. For example, hydration of potassium chloride. The potassium cation and chloride anion get separated from one another and are surrounded by oppositely charged poles of water molecules. Solvation involves bond formation, hydrogen bonding, or dispersion forces. Ionic substances are solvated by polar solvent like water. Non-polar solutes are solvated by non-polar solvents. The forces in such cases are van der Waals forces. Now discuss about water of crystallization. A neutralization reaction of acid and base, salt and water is formed. To separate salt, water is evaporated from it. And some types of salts, some water molecules remain inside the salt crystals. That is just a physical presence of water molecules and is called water of hydration or water of crystallization. Some salts absorb water molecule from the atmosphere and get hydrated. For example, pentahydrate copper sulfate, heptahydrate magnesium sulfate, decahydrate sodium carbonate, etc. Assignment. Describe the process of solvation. What is water of hydration? Thank you.